Morning, students. In your ninth one chapter, this direct proportion and inverse proportion. In this chapter, we have started this practice set 39. In this practice set 39, we studied yesterday these two examples. Then today you see here this third one example, practice set 39. Third one example. Sweta, Piyush and Nachiket together invested rupees 80,000 and they started a business of the selling seeds and towels purchased from Solapur. Here three peoples, they invested this total investment of this rupees 80,000. Sweta, Piyush and Nachiket. Then Sweta's share of this capital was this rupees 3,000, Piyush 12,000, and at the end of the year they made a profit of this 24,000. Means here investment of this, what was this investment of this Nachiket? Means you find out here investment of this Nachiket, means Sweta and Piyush given here. See, investment of Sweta rupees 30,000. Then investment of Piyush rupees 12,000. Then Nachiket rupees X. You take here X rupees. Then total investment here 80,000 given. Then you do addition, 30,000 plus 12,000 plus X is equal to 80,000. 12 plus 30 means here 42,000 plus X is equal to 80,000. Then you find out this value of this X is equal to 80,000 minus 42,000. Then answer is here 38,000. Means Nachiket's investment rupees here how many? 80,000 rupees. See, then this profit of this 24% here, 24% of this investment here, Nachiket's 38,000, then 24 divided by 100 into 38,000. This 20 cut. Do here multiplication, 24 into 380. Answer is here 9,120. Then what was the share? His share of this profit, how many rupees? 9,120 rupees. These two answers. First one, Nachiket's investment here 38,000, and second one, his share of this profit is rupees 9,120. Then fourth one example. A and B shared a profit of this 24,500 in the proportion this 3:7. Each of them give here 2% of his share of this profit to the soldiers welfare fund. Then what was the actual amount given to the fund by each of them? Fourth one example. The profit of shared in the ratio, the profit of shared in the ratio 3:7. Then let A get 3x rupees. A get 3x rupees and B get 7x rupees. Then total profit here 24,500 means 3x plus 7x is equal to 24,500. 7 plus 3 10. 10x is equal to 24,500. Then you find out here x values. X is equal to 24,500 divided by 10. Then answer is here 2,450 rupees. 2,450 rupees. Then you find out this fund by each of them. Means A is equal to 3x means 3 into 2,450 is equal to, answer is here, what answer is here, 17,150. 17,150. And B 7x means 7 into 3,240, sorry 2,450 is equal to, do this also multiplication. Then answer is here answer is 7,350 and this one is 17,150 rupees. Then see here, each of them give here 2% of each share of profit. Each of them give here 2% of profit. Means here first one you write here 2% of this number 7,350 means A. Then 2 divided by 100 into 7,350. This 1 0 1 0 2 1 are 2 2 5 are 10. Then 5 1 are 5. Then 2 here 23 means 5 4 are 25, 5 7 are 35 means here 147 rupees. This profit of this. Then 2% of this number you write here 2% of this 17,150 means 2 divided by 100 into 17,150. See here this 1 0 1 0 cut. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then this 5 number will be here. 5 3s are 15. Here 2 means 20. 5 4s are 20. Then again one here and 5 3s are 15. 343 rupees. 343. See first one here. Thus A and B shared a profit of this 24,500 means you take here proportion is given 3:7 means suppose A get 3x rupees, B get 7x rupees. Then this total investment is here 24,500. Then 3x plus 7x 10x is equal to 24,500 and x is equal to value this 2,450 rupees. But here profit is given 2% and each of them how much you get. Then A is equal to, you find out here 3x values means 3 into 2 4 50 2,450 rupees. Then answer is here 7,350 and B 7x means 7 into 2,450 17,150. Then 2%. Here profit each of them 2% means 2 divided by 100 into 7,350. This answer is rupees 147 and second one answer is here rupees 343. See in this practice set 39 again one example remain. This remaining part tomorrow. Okay, bye.